The Larson Electronics portable 360 UVC sanitation light carts offer UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and come equipped with UVC fluorescent lamps. These UV light carts can disinfect over 99% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and spores. Capable of disinfecting an entire room, these 304 stainless steel UV systems come with 16.3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord and a safety kit which includes 2 goggles and 4 safety signs. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. These light carts are a powerful sanitation solution for industrial sites and commercial facilities. The rollerblade style wheels allow for ultra smooth transport of the light. Each wheel includes a lock to lock the unit into position. These UV systems offer 360 degrees of coverage and are available in 4 lamp, 8 lamp, 12 lamp, 16 lamp, and 24 lamp models. Some models include an accessible digital timer that enables operators to set exposure times. The lights will automatically turn off when the set time is complete. A motion sensor is available on some units that will shut the light off when motion is detected. The light will resume cleaning after no motion has been detected for 30 seconds. Cooling fans below the lamps keep the units running optimally. There is a delay of 1 minute and 30 seconds at startup for clearing the area after activation. Operators may move the cart around after exposure time to disinfect several locations. With a recommended 30 minutes of exposure time for viruses, multiple carts can be purchased to cover larger areas more quickly. These units can be used with all room lights on or off. Any lights present in the room are fine. The carts can even be used in sunlight. Suggested applications include sanitation, disinfection, retail spaces, lobbies, commercial locations, industrial parks, schools, public transportation hubs, airports, office buildings, medical centers, and more. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have 2 benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.